30 seconds of your time, $1, one voice, one smile, to keep the lights on and the heart of the people who lost everything. 1 second. We are a non-profitable organization. We are giving all the donation to help to buy a fridge, a couch, a glass. I am asking you, please, please, let's stand for Beirut. Give us your voice, give us your emotion, a word, an inspiration, something, a message of solidarity and hope. You can stand for Beirut, stand for safe world peace. We can start again together. We need you. Safe world peace. Fadia Otte from Beirut.
جيمتان هون خلاص واصلة. What? 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 شو هاد؟ افتح البراد فوق.